Hello aspirant, this is Sai Kumar Kalakonta, October 2nd Current Affairs Analysis. In this topic, we will discuss about ASCAN Phase 4 network launched. This topic is related to science and technology, and the second one is the Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission under the Capital Fund for Scheduled Caste Tests was recently launched. Okay, first one is sorry, ASCON. Here is a spelling mistake. ASCON. It is not con, it is ASCON, ASCON. Okay, not Acon, ASCON. ASCON Phase 4 network launched. This topic related to science and technology, defense and science and technology. The Cabinet Committee on Security had approved the proposal for establishment of Army Static Switched Communication Network, ASCON Phase 4 network. Key point for this topic, key takeaways, implemented by M/ITI, a public sector undertaking, implementation schedule 36 months from the date of signing of the contract. It is a strategic and a theater area communication network. It will upgrade the existing asynchronous transfer mode technology to internet protocol, multi-protocol label switching technology, optical fiber cable, microwave radio, and satellite will be used as communication media. It will provide better survivability, responsiveness, and high bandwidth in any operational scenario and enhance the communication coverage of the network closer to the international border. Line of control and line of actual control. So, this is the first topic, ASCON Phase 4 network launched by MSIT, a public sector undertaking. This project, a public sector undertaking, implementation schedule 36 months. Okay. Next, Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission under Capital Fund. This topic is related to issues related to this to SCs and STs and innovation entrepreneurship. See here, Ambedkar Social Innovation Incubation Mission. First one is promote entrepreneurship among SC youth with special preference to Divyangas. Second one is support 1000 innovative ideas till 2024 through a synergetic work with technology business incubators set up by a Department of Science and Technology. Third one is support promote handhold startup ideas till they reach commercial stage by providing liberal equity support. Fourth one is incentivize students with innovative mindset to take to entrepreneurship with confidence. So, the Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission under Capital Fund of Scheduled Caste SCs was recently launched. Ministry of Social Justice. Objective of this topic is issue is to promote innovation and enterprise among SC students studying in higher educational institutions. Key points of this topic: under the institution, 1000 SC youth will be identified in the next 4 years with startup ideas through the technology business various higher education institutions. They will be 430 lakh rupees in 3 years as equity funding to translate their startup ideas into commercial ventures. Okay, successful ventures would further qualify for venture funding of up to 5 crore rupees from the Venture of Capital Fund for Assist. Important value additions for this topic is Venture Capital Fund for Assist, launched by the Social Justice Ministry year 2014 to 15, aim to develop entrepreneurship amongst the SC and Divyanga youth and to enable them to become job givers. Objective of this topic is to provide concessional finance to the entities of the SC entrepreneurs. Under this fund, 117 companies promoted by SC entrepreneurs have been sanctioned financial assistance to set up business ventures. Okay, next the third topic is in this October 2nd current affairs, Bharati script. Bharati is a simple and unified script which can be used to write most major Indian languages. Second one is it is designed using simplest shapes often borrowing simple characters from various Indian languages, scripts and English. Scripts supported are Hindi, Marathi, Devanagari, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, Punjabi, Gurumukhi, Bengali, Oriya, Kannada and Malayalam. Developed by Srinivasa Chakravarti's team at IIT Madras. Documents can be read in Bharati script using a multilingual optical character recognition OCR scheme. OCR means optical character recognition. Finger spelling method can be used to generate a sign language for hearing impaired persons. It is in line with one nation, one script. It is in line with one nation and one script. It is an ideal script for languages like Konkani or it is an online with one nation and one script. It is an ideal script for languages like Konkani or Tulu that don't have their own script. It can serve as a writing system for the innumerable tribal languages of India and languages of the Northeast. In this topic, we will remember Bharati script developed by Srinivasa Chakravarti's team at IIT Madras. Script supported are Hindi, Marathi, Devanagari, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, Punjabi, Gurumukhi, Bengali, Oriya, Kannada and Malayalam. Okay. Thank you, friends. This is the October 2nd day current affairs analysis. But you need to must know about these topics also. First one is USA sanctions against ICC officials. First one is you need to also know information about this current affairs about these topics. USA sanctions against ICC officials. Second one is Congo fever alert in Maharashtra raised. Third one is EPFO's new facility on Umang app started. EPFO's new facilities on Umang app started. Fifth one is Amnesty halting India operators. Amnesty halting India operators. So this is the. Thank you, friends. Do subscribe and share with your friends and must like. Thank you.